India's Supreme Court on Friday granted bail to opposition leader and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in a graft case, paving the way for his release almost 6 months after he was arrested. Kejriwal was taken into custody in March by India's Financial Crime Fighting Agency weeks before the country's national elections in relation to alleged irregularities in the capital city's liquor policy. Although he was granted bail in that case in July, he remained in detention due to his arrest a month previously by the federal agency CBI in a graft case related to the same policy. While he left the jail, the Delhi Chief Minister cannot go to Delhi Secretariat or sign any file without the Lieutenant Governor's consent.
संदेश साफ है ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट का कि तानाशाही के खिलाफ देश का संविधान हर आम आदमी के लिए रक्षा के लिए है और भारत में अगर किसी की चलेगी ना तानाशाही की चलेगी ना सीबीआई की चलेगी ना ईडी की चलेगी ना इनके तानाशाही कानूनों की चलेगी भारत में अगर किसी की चलेगी तो देश के संविधान की चलेगी.
While the AAP rejoices Kejriwal's release, BJP has said the Delhi Chief Minister should immediately resign from his post as Supreme Court has granted him only conditional bail. Terming Kejriwal as outright dishonest, BJP said the top court has neither quashed the charges against him nor acquitted him in the liquor policy case and added he lacks the moral right to hold a constitutional position. Kejriwal's release is expected to boost the morale of his decade-long Aam Aadmi Party as it will allow him to campaign in regional elections next month in the northern state of Haryana, where AAP is trying to make inroads, and in Delhi early next year.